everyone, this is Hannah with ProCandleSupply.com. Today I'll be showing you step by step how to make this fun summertime soap. It reminds me of crystal blue water or a fun blue summer drink. Follow along as I make this soap and check out ProCandleSupply.com for all the ingredients you'll need if you too want to try making this at home. Let's get started and gather what we'll need. You'll need 1 pound of white melt and pour soap, 1 to 2 pounds of clear melt and pour soap, blue liquid soap dye, 1 ounce of fragrance of your choice that is soap safe. Today I'll be using rainwater. You'll also need our 10-inch silicone loaf mold, a soap cutter, 1 microwave safe bowl, and 1 spare bowl, a silicone spatula, isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle, a kitchen scale, and a thermometer. First, we'll start by taking the soap cutter and cutting up your white melt and pour soap into evenly sized 1/2-inch cubes. Place them to the side in your extra bowl. Try to make the cubes look as pretty as possible, as they'll be the chunks in your blue soap. Now that our white melt and pour soap is cut into small cubes and set off to the side, you're going to take your clear melt and pour soap and cut into small pieces and place into a microwave safe bowl. Then you're going to heat in 30-second intervals in the microwave until completely melted and smooth. Okay, so we're back. And now that you have your clear melted soap, you're going to place it on your kitchen scale and add a 1/2 ounce of your soap safe fragrance oil. So now that we've added our fragrance oil, we're going to add our blue liquid soap dye. Typically I add about 1 drop per 1 ounce of soap. So today I have about 20 ounces of soap, so I'm going to add roughly 20 drops of blue liquid soap dye. Smells so good. Now that your blue liquid soap dye is added, you're going to fill your silicone loaf mold about 1/2 to 3/4 up. Remember, you have to leave room for your white chunks. Now we just have to let it cool. Once the blue soap has cooled to around 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to take your white soap blocks that you set off to the side and spray them really well with isopropyl alcohol. And then you're going to place them into your blue soap in the loaf mold. I usually spray and then move them around. Now you're going to spritz the top of the soap with more isopropyl alcohol to get rid of any air bubbles and allow the soap to harden. Once hardened, you can remove from the mold and cut into slices where you'll see your gloriously colored clear blue soap and white soap chunks. I will go ahead and remove it now. As you can see, you can pull on both sides, flip it over, and then push on it. You can see it comes off. Pull it off. Look how pretty it is. So fun. Look how cool. This soap is really bright and fun. It's perfect for summer day crafts or parties. Remember, you can get all the supplies you need to make this same soap at ProCandleSupply.com. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below or contact us directly. If you want to see more videos on making your own candles and soaps, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks so much. Bye!